AutoDS versus Ecomhunt, which is better for you? Welcome to today's video where we'll be comparing AutoDS and Ecomhunt, two popular tools in the dropshipping space. If you're serious about streamlining your e-commerce business, make sure to check out the links in the description below for more details on these products. Let's dive right in. AutoDS is an all-in-one dropshipping automation platform designed to save time and optimize operations. It offers features like product importing, automated price and stock monitoring, and even order fulfillment. With its advanced product research tools and the ability to integrate with multiple suppliers, AutoDS is ideal for those who want to automate the more tedious aspects of their dropshipping business. The platform is particularly useful for established sellers looking to scale their operations by automating repetitive tasks, allowing them to focus on growth and strategy. On the other hand, Ecomhunt is a product research tool specifically tailored for discovering trending products. It's designed to help you quickly find winning products to sell, with features like product analytics, profit margins, and detailed competition analysis. Ecomhunt provides daily updates of new products along with marketing recommendations, which can be a game changer for beginners or those who want to test new products quickly without diving too deep into research. It's particularly beneficial for those who are just starting out or who want a straightforward way to discover high-potential products without the need for complex analysis. So, which tool is better for you? If you're an experienced dropshipper who needs to automate processes and manage a large number of products efficiently, AutoDS is your go-to solution. It's packed with features that can save you countless hours and help you maintain control over your inventory and orders. However, if you're more focused on finding hot products to sell and need a tool that simplifies product discovery, then Ecomhunt is likely the better choice. Its easy-to-use interface and valuable insights can help you identify winning products faster, making it perfect for those who want to minimize risk and maximize their chances of success. In conclusion, the best choice depends on your specific needs. AutoDS is the powerhouse for automation and scaling, while Ecomhunt excels in product discovery. Consider where you are in your dropshipping journey and what your priorities are, and choose the tool that aligns best with your goals. If you want to learn more, don't forget to check out the links in the description for further details on both tools. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more dropshipping insights.